Now let's just start the problems related with the sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression. So the very first question says, how many terms of the AP must be taken to give the sum of 636? Means we just wanted to find out the number of terms, means n. So let's just start finding out the answer for this one, as we just have to find out the value of n. So let's just start finding out the n using the sum of the n terms of formula, means s is nothing but n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So from this particular arithmetic progression, we can see a is nothing but 9 and the common difference is 17 minus of 9, which is nothing but 8, means a is 9, d is 8. Let's just plug in all these values in this particular formula, so we can calculate the value of n from here. So s is given to us, the sum is given to us as nothing but 636. Sum is already given to us, so s is given to us as nothing but 636. S is 636. Let's just plug in the values in this formula. So this is 636, which is equal to n by 2, 2 into 9 plus of 9 minus, sorry, n minus 1. This is n minus 1, because we do not know about the value of n. Common difference is nothing but 8. Now let's just sort it out. This would be nothing but 636, which is equal to n by 2. This is nothing but 18 plus of n minus 1 into 8. Now let's just again sort it out. 636 is equal to n by 2. This is 18 plus of 8 and minus of 8. If you solve it further, we will get the answer as nothing but 636, which is equal to n by 2, and further we have 10 plus of 8n, and again we can take 2 common out of it, as you can see, and thus we can calculate the value as nothing but 636, which is equal to n by 2. Take the 2 common out of it. This is 5 plus of 4 of n, and 2 and 2 get cancelled with each other, so we are getting 636 is equal to n into 5 plus of 4, and let's just multiply the terms. We will get 636 is equal to 5n plus of 4n square. Let's just take the value 636 toward the other side. So 4n square plus of 5 of n minus 636 is equal to 0 is actually a quadratic equation that we are getting. So it means we have to factorize this quadratic equation in order to find the value of n. So we have to find out the two values whose multiplication is actually 4 into 636 and whose subtraction is nothing but 5. So these two terms are actually nothing but 53 and 48. So this is 4n square plus of 53 of n minus 48 of n minus 636 is equal to 0. At the end, we are getting the value as nothing but, let us suppose we are taking n common out of it. So this is 4n plus of 53, and further minus 12 we are taking common. So this is 4n plus of 53, which is equal to 0. So hence at the end we are getting n minus 12 into 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. If we'll take the value as is equal to 0, we are getting two values, n is equal to 12 and n is equal to minus 53 by 4. Obviously the number of terms cannot be negative at all. The number of terms cannot be negative. It means that number of terms cannot be negative. Since the number of terms cannot be negative, so this one is neglected. So hence at the end, n is equal to 12 is nothing but the answer that we are getting, that the number of terms are nothing but 12 whose sum is taken in such a way that it is equal to 636. So this is all about the question number 1.